Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. We have the short hairstyle that is quite short and comfortable to wear. You can see how this haircut really breathes a sigh of relief when they are fashioned into this beautiful style. And one thing about the style is that tailored to your face shape because it will suit your face shape, your hair type, and also your hair length. And it's not always about braided hairstyles, with extensions, because now beautiful short hairs like the Pixies, like the Boy Scout, like the Twinnie Winnie Afro have really taken all the way to the next level. And you can see how the scores are flawlessly formed, and you can see how is that kind of not too tight, not too loose hair. You just have manageable and shiny short hair curls that are particularly gorgeous. It's really a popular style amongst women with natural hair because you can see how it's showy, it's flattery, and it's quite easy to style. So one thing with this style is that with that style you can also highlight with some beautiful colors, which also means a lot if you really want to enhance the face of your haircut. And it's incredibly so beautiful because it will always make you look beautiful and boost your confidence. So let me just let you guys have all those styles we have. You can see how indeed the hairstyles are versatile, and they are indeed that wash and go short hairstyles that will make you look so simple and at the same time look so classy. So this is indeed a cute, fabulous short hairstyles that's a fantastic way for you to steal the attention at any occasion, even that red carpet event you really want to go for. So just make everyone think you're making something new with your hair every day with those beautiful short haircuts on the screen. I just want to appreciate you for staying long. Please watch this video to the end and let me know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys and see you guys in my next video. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, my body won't need to. If I keep up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so top, I was still waiting in my mind. I am not feeling my. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, my body won't need to. If I keep up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so top, I was still waiting in my mind. I am not feeling my.
I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us all top, I was still waiting, I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us all top, I was still waiting, I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us all top, I was still waiting, I am a polymer.